is a certified hood classic.
You already know who this is, your boy, the little piss boy! Oh yeah! Big little pee on that tray, yo! Just ate a fucking cow right there to the driver, go back, oh nigga, alright, nigga, I'm so, nigga, I'm speak like nigga, I'm roll like, what we get nigga, man, I'm like, yo, nigga, I'm like, back, nigga, I'm back, nigga, I'm like, yeah, motherfucker, nigga, you won't buy me, nigga, yo, well, but shout out to my boy, nigga, he came in the fucking, nigga, gotta go to Scarry for fucking Fortnite, I'm fucking late, Fortnite, alright, boy, go get a fish off for my boy, gay black man in a fucking kazoo, yes, I love
he shit himself.
I love Mikey shitting on walls, yes, it's so funny. Okay, I lost my dog and I'm coming for the fire. I'm like Marcus, I come from my fire. I love my nigga, get in the car. I love my nigga, get in the car. I got the shoes on the mic and I went to the bike and I do like that nigga, I die, get up in my bike, like this nigga, like that nigga, my dick is nigga, I'm a henchman nigga, I hate to pull the trigger nigga. Nigga! Black men in my house! They're scary! Help! Help!
Yo, I'm extremely racist, I hate them Jews. I'm gonna send them to the concentration camp, yo. I hail Hitler every day. Hitler every day, yo.
Yo! Oh!
I'm going to wave the flag outside my house, yo.
What's he just saying, yo?
White supremacy. Yo.
Got a slice of my basement, Lil Nas in the basement, I doing KFC chicken on my penis, Lil Nas is a Nazi, homosexual little bastard. Got Hitler on my phone, and I'm gonna do a burn on him. Gonna nut on his regime. Got to go up my friend regime. They can put the foot on his whip. I can go and load that clip. They can shoot him up. Get my penis in his butt. Legendary, skin in Fortnite. Tonight, I'm gonna die. And then, you're all gonna cry. Lil Nas is my guy. Got stop shit like my balls. Got 53-year-olds. You all around the world. I have got no guys. Oh.
We taking notes on us and making posters. He's making clothes. Oh, geez, so proud of me. He's choking up when he's making toast. I'm the type you can't control. That I cursed or made her sweet. I'm corruptness. What's the sense of humor? I'm just making jokes because I got all my baby boomers. I thought I'd just do that.
I am Dr. Manas Ranjan Tripathi, Senior Consultant, General Laparoscopic Surgeon and Laser Proctologist, working for Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Koramangala in Bangalore.